Postmedia has looked at the patron gaming fund accounts used by BC Lottery Corp as an anti-money laundering measure. These accounts have been promoted as a better way to vet the money, the big money that's coming into BC casinos, specifically connected to VIP gamblers, mostly from Asia. Now, as we've reported, these gamblers are seen as high risk because they've been associated with an alleged transnational money laundering scheme in which gamblers were allegedly using suspected drug cash in amounts as much as $500,000 in $20 bills, coming into casinos, buying chips, gambling, and coming out with allegedly cleaned money. So BCLC promoted these accounts because they're supposed to be non-cash. They're funded with bank drafts or international wire transfers that are approved by BCLC. They're supposed to provide a better audit trail. And the proponents of these accounts say it's impossible to get out of a casino with cleaned money because the checks, the big checks that are paid out from these accounts are marked as not verified winnings but return of gambler funds. Postmedia used Freedom of Information law to request the top 25 checks paid out of patron gaming fund accounts in 2016. We wanted to look at the labeling of the checks and simply the amounts of dollars at play here. The top check was a $2.4 million check cut at River Rock Casino. It went down to $600,000, was number 25, and 21 out of the top 25 checks were issued from River Rock Casino. River Rock Casino is the Metro Vancouver casino most associated with VIP gamblers from China. The checks, several of the checks appeared a little bit confusing. They were labeled player winning from River Rock Casino, and yet the check or a check stub also indicated the patron had not bought in, and this was a return of funds. BCLC says they have an active audit process in place for PGF fund accounts and the checks dispersed from them. And in the case of the 25 check transactions that Postmedia reviewed, BCLC says they reviewed those transactions and nothing suspicious was found in any of these cases. The case of Hong Guo, a Richmond real estate lawyer, underlines allegations which could point to concerns in patron gaming funds. In that case, the lawyer Guo alleges that two of her former employees used BCLC patron gaming fund accounts to launder money. About $7 million was allegedly stolen from Guo's trust funds. Guo alleges that these employees used PGF accounts to launder a lot of money and then have the money sent to China. The case is still open in BC civil courts.